Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a video. Please watch the full video. Do not skip. Open the pixel lab, select the shape, change the color, select another shape, select the erase color, to by color weight, select the 3D shape, extrusion, duplicate the shape, then select another shape, change the color, select the 3D shape, extrusion, then select any more, change the shape of fruit, size the shape, adjust the shape, save the shape and fruit, change the background color, adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.